Hey, come and have a look at this look.
The confusingly popular Landrover Defender. To be more precise, the doors of the confusingly popular Landrover Defender. Anyone who has owned such a machine will certainly be aware that one of the many places they corrode and rust is the bottom of the doors. In this case, I have been persuaded to repair these doors without replacing or removing the aluminium skin. This is not a way I like to work, but I happen to like the customer more. To save time, I have traded sterling in return for these door lower repair frames. Will it be a shrewd business decision, or will it end up in complete financial disaster? If you want to know more, just keep watching. Because the door skin is still on, we have the door hinge holes to align the new steel section. But it doesn't quite line up with the original. It's not too far off, so not really a concern at the moment. Let's look at the other side, which I am of course expecting to line up to a similar degree of accuracy, if not better. Well, what have we here? Nothing seems to line up at all by my eye. Perhaps a measuring instrument can confirm what I believe I am seeing. Indeed it can. 10 millimeters out of alignment. This is very confusing. Have I acquired the incorrect part? No, I don't believe I have. Better make it work, I'd say, but how? Extend it in the middle or extend it at a corner? I'll have a think. As some of you will know, Land Rovers were invented by space aliens as a bit of a practical joke on the human race. But the joke backfired when the humans loved the Land Rover so much they built another 7 million more of them. I've decided to accept the bad sizing of the new panel, for now at least. This is the inside of the door by the hinges and won't be easy to see. As this door repair is not how I'd normally do it, it's already a compromise on quality. The right way to repair this door is to remove the door skin, media blast the frame, then repair the frame with the door on the vehicle, then paint the frame and inside of the new skin, and finally put the two together. But as is the nature of doing this for a living, sometimes you must accept what the customer wants. And by the way, that old saying of the customer is always right is rarely true. I do get asked to do things the cheap way occasionally, and 99 times out of 100 I will suggest they find another restorer. Repairing a door this way is pushing my boundaries in terms of quality, but I also don't have the rest of the vehicle to test the fit. This means the repair is more difficult, and I'm also taking a big risk. If the door doesn't fit, I'll lose out rectifying it. It's a story I've come across many a time. People say, "Oh, I've taken the wings and doors off and I'll bring them to you to be repaired." The first thing I say is put them back on the vehicle and bring the vehicle to me. Then I can repair them. I can understand why customers want to do it this way, but unless you've repaired body panels before, you won't understand the problem it gives us metal workers. It's a bit like dropping off anything to be repaired at a repair shop, but insisting the repairer wears a blindfold when fixing it. It's down to me to refuse to work this way, and that is what I do 99 times out of 100. As with most vehicles, there is a driver's and passenger door, so now I need to do the other one. But there is an added complication. The front door frame has twisted by the door check strap due to being weakened. I need to twist this back somehow before I start the repairs. This is what I came up with to do this job. It didn't want to move easily and I wasn't able to get it back exactly where it should be, but it was close enough, I feel. If you haven't seen these tools before, it's a door skin removal tool. It's a tool I use rarely, as usually the skin doesn't need to be kept. I've got some media blasting to do on the alpha shell next, and I'll probably update you on that in another video. I still think there are a lot of people who don't thoroughly blast clean steel, and although I've made this point in several videos, it doesn't hurt to mention it again. See you next time.